Okay, this is number 2 in the worksheet. The very first thing we're going to do is make sure that we are all looking at this the same way. So I'm going to hide the things that are in the background that you can't really see. So make sure that we're all looking at the same shape. There. So we're really looking at this trapezoid prism. There's a trapezoid in the front. Okay, there's a trapezoid in the back. And then there are rectangles everywhere else. So the rectangles are going to be this rectangle on the side, and then there's another one over on the other side. There's a rectangle on the bottom, and then there's a rectangle on the top. So that's the shape that we're looking at. So I need to find the area of 2 trapezoids. I need to find the area of the left and right sides. Left and right rectangles. And I need to find the area of the top and the bottom rectangle. And as I'm doing those, I will highlight them with those colors so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's start with the 2 trapezoids. So we have a trapezoid in front. That's how I see it. And then we have another trapezoid behind it in the back. And so I have enough information for trapezoid. For a trapezoid, I need to do area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height, and then divide by 2. So that's going to be equal to 5 plus 9, because that 9 is the same as this. I don't know why they use miles, MI, for the units. It's a little excessive. 5 miles long and 9 miles long. But 5 plus 9 times the height. The height's given right here, perpendicular distance between the 2 bases. It's 3.5. And then divide by 2. So get my calculator. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 times 3.5 is 49. Divided by 2 is 24.5. Square miles, apparently. So that's the area of 1 trapezoid, but I have 2 trapezoids. So you can multiply that by 2. You could also say I have 24.5 plus another 24.5 square miles. So that's going to be part of what I add together. Next, we're going to look at the left and right rectangles. So the left and right rectangles, I'm going to outline in green. That's 4 units by 6 units. It was hard for me to see that. It was way over there. So 4 miles by 6 miles. So each of those is 24. So I'm going to have 24 square miles plus 24 square miles for the 2 left and right rectangles. Remember that in a prism, the bases are surrounded by rectangular faces. Then we want to look at the top rectangle in pink is a rectangle that's 9 by 6. So 9 times 6 is going to be, 9 times 6 is 54. So 54 square miles. And then my last one is the bottom rectangle. Bottom rectangle has that width of 6, a length of 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 square miles. So I'm going to add all those together. So surface area equals, that's too dark. Surface area equals 54 plus 30 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24.5 plus 24.5. Missed the plus sign on my calculator. So I think that's 181. So 181 square miles. Made the font thinner so it's easier to see. So that's adding all of them together. 54 plus 30 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24.5 plus 24.5. So surface area is adding up all the parts together.